We're checking out this M. Rosefeld hookah. This is their basic hookah set. Comes with everything you need. We've got a couple of accessories for it as well. Of course, one of the first things you're going to need is some charcoal. The charcoal is what goes into the heating part. That's what gives you the heat. So let's open this up and check it out. So this is a box of 30 pieces of quick to light charcoal. And you can see that it comes in 3 tubes of 10. We'll go ahead and open up the top of one of these. And the charcoal itself is a wafer or a puck with a little dimple underneath, so that it's easy to light and stay lit. It's pretty neat. That'll go into your heating element up top. And I guess you do 1 or 2 depending on your preference. We'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out. I hope this helps.